wishy-washy. But dang, we're out here. First day of the year, guys. I don't even know if the camera was even pointing at me. No, it's the first day of the year. And I said, we got like an hour. Everybody's all hungover. So I thought, come, whoa. Try to catch a fish. Oh, whoa, I'm sliding. Sliding. Try to come catch a fish, guys. Just got snow all over my, oh my God. I keep almost sliding, but yeah. Oh, I saw a deer over there. Oh man, look how beautiful that is, guys. Haha. That's crazy, right? Let's try not to fall right here. But man, we're gonna be fishing right over there. My favorite spot. Look at that. I mean, you can't really notice, but that fog is following like a warm, it's called Warm Creek, and it goes right on the other side of there's a hatchery over there, and it falls out to the end of the canyon over there. I love fishing down there too, at the end of Warm Creek. Oh, I just seen a bunch of carp swimming away. But yeah, it looks like that fog is moving this way. We'll see what happens. But all right, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's just get to fishing, guys. Oh, too much wing stop. All right, let's just get to fishing, guys. All right. Drop my worm. Trying to get a worm on here real quick. Get a little worm on there, a little worm action. Make sure I got everything set up before I start throwing. That way I could just, bam, slay them. I think I'm good. I got my new pole. My daughter got me. I'll try that probably. Probably not going to catch nothing, but we'll definitely give it a try, guys. All right, let's get over there. All right. I need more weight on here. Hey, you see that carp jump over there? Oh, I think we're getting bit. Got him. Oh, no way. What the heck just happened? Oh man, that sucked. I had one on too. It did some squirrely stuff. Squirrelied its way out of it, guys. It's all right, we're gonna get this next one, watch. I need some more weight on here, but I'ma wait. Ha! Just joking. That wasn't even funny. Come on. Almost got all that worm. Dang it. Sorry for being so quiet, guys. They got me stumped over there because I feel them biting. I just don't know what the heck's going on. Might be just a little real small fish. I definitely need some more weight on here. We're gonna go crazy. We're gonna put worm and a half. All right. Just like that. It's not really where I wanted to throw. I'm probably gonna catch a carp right there, but we'll probably be in for a ride. Gotta get over here. Oh, that's a good spot. If I get more to the rock, that'd be better, but something's nibbling on it right now. Got it. What is it? Oh, it's a mega bluegill. Ha ha ha. First, first. Yeah, that sounded weird. First fish of the year, a bluegill. Let's go, guys. I knew I was getting bluegill nipped up over there. Look at that guy right there. Ha ha. Man, that's a mega bluegill right there, guys. For freezing cold, that's a bluegill. Hell yeah. See if we can get one more over there. Oh, we're getting bit. Getting bit. Getting bit by something. It got the bait. I should have set the hook. I'm playing games. But it didn't feel like he had it, so I didn't want to set the hook on a fish that wasn't there. Oh no. We're gonna throw it one more time. We're gonna get it in the strike zone. Watch. I know there's a fish over there. Oh yeah, it definitely a fish over there. Definitely a fish over there. Took the little piece off my bait. Come on, Bassy. One bass. Might have to move over there to the rock, maybe, to pull one out. Excuse me. We're gonna have to see. You never know. Just need one. River, one bass. Give me one bass, River. River said, hell to the no. We're gonna catch one, watch, I don't care. That's it. That's it. Oh no, I'm over another line. No way. Somebody's line is over there, like in the air. I just wrapped my whole line around. All their line is over there. I have to see. Oh, I just seen a big old fish jump. All right, we're seriously gonna move to the rock. Hopefully we don't fall walking along the edge. Dang it. Dang it. Come on, you were on. I think it's a lot of bluegills because I'm getting so many little nips. They don't know. All right, where? Give me my bait back. I don't know what I just did there, but it wasn't the move. I think he's biting it. Thought I had him, man. Definitely missed him. I got something. Got him. Another blue. Jesus. A bigger one. This is a bigger bluegill than the hat. Holy cow. Open up, my guy. Open up. I get it. He don't know. Open your mouth, my G. Ow, whatever. Look at that big old gill right there. See you, Gilly. Oh. Dang bluegills. Haha, one bass right there, guys. We got him right in the corner over there. He was in the corner. Woo! Got him. All right. First bass of the year. Let's go, guys. He's cold as all heck. Woo! Heck yeah, guys. Heck yeah. Camera sat down for a second. Right there. All right, guys. First bass of the year. Not gonna complain, guys. First bass of the year. Let's go. We'll get him back. I might just give up. I've been fishing for like maybe an hour and a half. Bam!